How to import an Excel file on monday.com subitems. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to import an Excel file or a specific CSV/XLS files into your subtasks on Monday. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. You need to have at least an XLS or an Excel file. It could be XLS or CSV. Both are going to be created within the same software. So the Excel is going to be a table software. I'm going to describe it just like that to simplify things. The tables are going to contain values, numbers, formulas, some counting, and also nominations. So these are going to be separated with columns or separated with a comma. Now, we're going to head over monday.com, sign in for an account, and we're going to be on the board. So basically, you're not going to head directly to the board. You're going to be on the home page, head over the workspaces, select your current workspace, and select the board. Now on the board, as you can see, we're going to be on this place. Now in here, we're going to basically select one of the items that contain a sub-item. For example, this is a sub-item. I'm going to click on it and we can go ahead and attach a file. You can head over here, add a file, for example, and it is going to give us the choice to add a file. So let me check real quick. Add file. So you can go ahead and add it from your computer, your Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, OneDrive, SharePoint, whatever. Once you have added that, you're going to be cool. Basically, you're going to head over here and add your file or your Excel file just right there to the members to see them on the description, because it is going to be importing a file into this place. And if you are going to export everything, you can go ahead and export the updates to Excel from this subtitle or subtask. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.